This video will demonstrate how to download a full company report from the Hoover's database. Once you select the link for Hoover's, this screen will appear. Simply select Continue to enter the resource. At this point, you can put in your search strategy in this particular box titled All Categories, or look for companies, people, or industries. For this example, in the All Categories box, I will type Chevron. It will populate and display the nearest match. I will select Chevron Corporation, and this page will display an overview of what's available for this company. In order to download a full company report, I can select from my tools, Download Data. And then it will display another area which will give you options of downloading different types of information. I want a full company report, so I can download it from the Download Printable Report area. Select the link for full company report. Once the report appears, it will be in PDF format, and you will have the option of downloading or printing.